Say hi.
Hi.
Say hi, Grandma. It's my birthday.
Bye.
Yay, birthday. Look up at the camera.
Can
You
you?
see it? Say hi. Say, how old am I?
Yeah.
How old are you? How old are you?
Yeah.
Huh? Are you 3? Say, I'm a big boy. You're a big boy? How big are you? Are you tall? Are you tall? What kind of shirts did you get today from Gigi?
Number
You
one.
get a moose? A moose, an alligator, and a tractor?
Yes.
And did you get some choo-choos?
Choo-choo.
Choo-choo trains. Yay. What'd you get from Grandma? Did you get some swim trunks for Hawaii? Say, yay, we're going to Hawaii. You want down? Okay, bye, James. See you later. Say bye to Grandma.
Bye.
Say I love you.
Bye.
You are so wild and crazy. You're going to say some more to Grandma? Say hi, Grandpa Dell.
I know.
Say hi, Grandpa Dell. Come on, be normal. Say hi, Grandpa Dell. Look up here. Look at this dot. You see that? Say bye, Grandpa Dell.
Bye.
Say bye, Grandma Jill.
Bye.
Say thank you for the clothes.
Say,
Sing him a song. Sing happy birthday. Sing happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. What's you? Want to show him your puzzle? Let's show him the moon that we got. Hey, sit here. Show him the moon. Say thank you for my swim trunks. Show them to the computer. Show your swim trunks. Say, hey, look what I got. Swim trunks. Swim trunks. Now what about this? Show her the moon we got. The moon, say the moon turns on. Moon. Very good. Look at this. Show Grandma and Grandpa. Show Grandma and Grandpa. Say thanks for the cool shirt. Cool shirt. What about the cool pants? Cool pants. And look at these. Look at these. Show them your animal shirt. Those are awesome. Come on, James. Come show them. Show Grandma your Play-Doh. Show Grandma Play-Doh. Say Play-Doh. Say I love Play-Doh. And show them the puzzle you got. We got a puzzle. We got a bunch of cars. We got a bunch of clothes. Say, what's this? What's this? What's this? Say moose. It's a shirt and with a moose on it. Say moose. Say moose. Show them, what's this? What's this on your shirt? What color is this? This is yellow. What color is your shirt? Very good. What's on your shirt? Is that a tractor? Very good. What color is this shirt? What color is this? Huh? What color is this shirt? Green. Very good. What's on this shirt? A monster truck? Monster truck. What color is this? We don't know that word, huh? Gray. What's this? Very good. Uh-oh, brother stole it. What's this? What's this? Say alligator. Does the alligator bite? Does the alligator bite?
No.
He doesn't? What color is the alligator? Green. Very good. What color is this moose shirt? What color is this moose shirt? What color is it? Red. Very good. What color is this bag? Can you tell Grandma what color this bag is and Grandpa? What color is this? Hey, Shane, what color is this? Blue. Very good. All right, we'll see you later, Grandma. Say bye. Come say bye. 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 We love you. Come say bye, Shane. I mean, James.